Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how I spray a vintage blonde finish using only spray cans. This is a 52 Telecaster body, and my reference is this 51 Nocaster. I start off by spraying 2 coats of clear Mohawk stringed instrument lacquer. This is a tip that I got from Jay Turner, who paints at the Fender custom shop. This is to fill in any spots that I sanded through the sealer. We then move on to Mohawk's whitewash finish toner. This is essentially white pigment suspended in clear lacquer. It's best to spray this from a distance and slowly build up the layers. It's much easier to do this with a spray gun because your fan is wider and you could cover more area. I did 5 coats of the whitewash, and as you could see, it all started to blend together and become uniform. Towards the end here, I do start going in a different direction just to cover up any streaking that was happening. Next up, we have Mohawk's yellow finish toner, and I've got to say I was very happy with how this color turned out. It's not like a stoplight yellow or anything too bold. It was much more of a creamy, almost a butter color. I did 2 coats of this, and I was pretty happy with the results. Here I'm referencing the photo just to see which way to shift the color, and I'm going to use Mohawk's amber finish toner. This is going to help deepen the color and make it more rich, and I'm spraying this from a distance just to kind of dust it on. This is really helping to make it look more aged and weathered. Here I'm sanding it back with 2000 grit. I'm just dry sanding it and using a very light touch just to kind of blend everything together. And now we're finishing it up with Mohawk's Tone Finish Clear. This is still a high gloss, but it's not as glossy as the Mohawk String Instrument Lacquer. I wanted a clear coat that would be glossy, but not showroom finish. We are going for an aged look. So this is definitely going to do the job. In this, I did about 5 coats just to really lock everything in. And I follow that up by wet sanding it with 1500 grit sandpaper. And then I proceeded to polish and buff that out. And here we are. These are the results. I'm very happy with how it came out. I did have some sand throughs in certain areas, which, as Bob Ross would say, those are happy accidents, and I embrace them. I think it really adds to the aged vintage look. I did make sure to, while wet sanding it and applying the clear coat, I didn't want to bury everything. I did still want some of the wood grain showing through. So as you could see, all the wood definitely is still visible. There's the little sand through. Very cool. Looks like this guitar was played and loved for many, many years. And that is exactly what we were going for. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think of it, how it came out. If you have questions on tackling this finish or have any advice, anything like that, feel free, comment down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.